In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to capture your voice and camera right inside your slides and how to export the result as a video if you need to share it. Start by opening your file in Microsoft PowerPoint. With your presentation ready, go to the Record tab at the top. If you don't see it, you can get to the same place by selecting Slideshow and then choosing Record Slideshow. From here, decide where you want to begin. Pick Record from beginning to start at the very first slide, or choose Record from current slide if you only want to begin from the slide you're on. This is handy if you're re-recording a section without touching the rest. Before you start, set up your camera and microphone, turn on your camera using the webcam icon so your video appears on screen, and make sure your microphone is turned on so your narration is captured clearly. You'll see a live preview, which is your chance to check framing, lighting, and background and confirm your audio looks and sounds good. Speak at a steady volume and reduce any background noise for the best results. When you're ready, click the red record button. After a brief countdown, begin presenting just like you would live. Talk through each slide in a natural, conversational way and use your keyboard arrows to move forward and back through the deck at your own pace. Take a breath between slides if you need it. Your timing is saved with the presentation so your viewers will see and hear everything in sequence. When you're finished, click stop. PowerPoint automatically saves your recording, both the video of you and your audio, directly on each slide you recorded. You'll notice a small video object on the slides. You can play it back to review your delivery and make sure everything sounds clear. If you need to improve a part, simply return to that slide and record from the current slide again. If you want to share your presentation as a standalone video, you can export it. Go to File, choose Export, and select Create a Video. Pick a quality setting, such as Full HD, to balance clarity with file size. Then click Create Video and save it. PowerPoint will include your recorded narration, camera, and timings in the final video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.